Hi, Artri is with us. She is basically from Germany. She's staying in Frankfurt. Recently, she has visited Sunitpur district, and I'd like to just know what's her feeling about Tezpur and visiting the rural areas of Tezpur.
So, although this is not my first time visiting India, this is one of the few exposures I've had to the rural side of the country, and I never fail to be amazed by the beauty of the nature and the greenery and just the scenery here. It's incredible. Um, it was also so different meeting the people in the singular villages, meeting actual people whose lives have been changed by Drishti, and um, though their life conditions might not be or are far from ideal, the enthusiasm they bring and the happiness which they find in the small things, which I think all of us can learn from. And yeah, it's just truly an inspiration what you're doing here, how they're taking initiative to change their lives and are moving in the right direction.
फॉर दी एनएस टाइम पराग, मैं आपके यूट्यूब चैनल पर हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये कहने में कि यहाँ पे मैं आया था तेजपुर। ये मेरा शायद तीसरा विज़िट है तेजपुर का इस साल में। एंड आई सी द प्रोग्रेस, स्पेशली व्हेन वी विज़िट द सेम वाटिका अगेन एंड अगेन एंड वी सी न्यूअर फेसेस, न्यूअर प्रोडक्ट्स। इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग। मैं यही चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि इस बार जो मैंने देखा है, तो देयर आर 3 थिंग्स दैट वी हैव टू डू। और इस बार 3 चीज़ें अगर हम लोग कर लेते हैं तो शायद अगली बार जब आएँ तो दृष्टि के बियॉन्ड जो वाटिका है वो खुद ही सारा चीज़ टेकअप कर चुकी होगी और हमारा शायद यहाँ पे ज़रूरत ही नहीं होगा। जो 3 चीज़ें हैं, उससे पहला है ट्रेनिंग। आई थिंक वी नीड टू ट्रेन मोर एंड मोर, एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो लुक एट ट्रेनिंग द वाटिकाज डायरेक्टली, क्योंकि इतने जो लेवल्स ऑफ ट्रेनिंग उसमें बहुत कम्युनिकेशन गैप अभी आ रहा है। जो दूसरा है, वो दूसरा टी है, वो है टेक्नोलॉजी। द टाइम हैज़ कम व्हेन वी नीड टू रियली फोकस ऑन इट एंड वी नीड टू इंश्योर कि उसकी अडेप्टेबिलिटी हो। और हमने देखा है कि जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी एक बार वो लोग यूज़ करना शुरू करते हैं, then they don't kind of leave it. It becomes a part of their life. There are examples within Drishti that we have to do. Third is just what we see here. It is third T is the tranquility. I think all of us should learn from the mighty Brahmaputra that we are, at the end of the day, we are just flowing, and there should not be any hang-ups. We should all be more relaxed in our approach. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम कर रहे हैं and we would want to do more, but that relaxation is very important. Well-being of the entire team of Drishti is very important. So I think we should really look at the team and the well-being of the team moving forward. बहुत बड़ा टीम हो गया हमारा, अपने लोग हैं यहाँ पर, इतने साल से हैं, so we should really take good care of them. Okay, Parag, so I'll be back on your YouTube channel in 3 months.
Okay,
We'll see
thank
you
you.
again in October.
So I've known Drishti for more than 2 decades now, but every time I come close to what you all are doing, it really amazes me. You know, the thing that I would like to call out is the scale at which you impact lives, and the art in which you do is really inspiring. So it was once again great to see the villages live, that the women there and the energy they bring to the table on what they are doing is very inspiring. And the icing on the cake, of course, is this view of the mighty Brahmaputra in its pristine form. So thanks a lot for all that you have done. I know it was a lot of driving for you, Parag, but thanks a lot. I hope to come back soon again.
Thank you.